When it comes to product research, too many people are doing the same exact thing and getting frustrated when they get different results. In fact, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, but expecting different results. In this video, we're gonna dive into my computer and I'm gonna show you a quick and new, completely underutilized strategy to finding your first or your next product to sell and how you can kill two birds with one stone. Let's dive in. So here I am at Alibaba. Now, you may be saying, well, Josh, this is about product research. Why are we at Alibaba? That's where we go to find a supplier once we find a product. But I'm trying to find my product, so what are we doing here? And this is the problem. Alibaba is a really good resource for more than just finding suppliers. In fact, this is just the dashboard, the Alibaba dashboard. You click on all categories and this is what's gonna pop up. And on this first page, you can see all these cool products like this reusable silicone pizza box. If we scroll down, vinyl pint clear soda beer cans, right? Here goes an LED intelligent thermometer displayed water bottle. I've never even heard of these products. Moving down, you've got tons of other products. This is cool. Baby, toddler, infant feeding bowls. Look at this one, round, slow feeding pet food bowl. Now, I've never seen any of these products before, and this one really caught my attention, so I shot over to Amazon, and here you can see this exact product, right? This exact product that we found right here, same color, same design, everything, is literally generating $30,000 per month. 100 plus people have bought this product in the last 30 days, and it has around 200 reviews. So this is a newer product, newer seller, and they're generating, if we follow the 30% rule of thumb, they're generating around $9,000 per month profit. Now, it took me about 45 seconds to find this potential product. Now, of course, you want to do a little bit of preliminary research. You want to look into the Google Trends. You want to look into the actual overall market. You want to look at the other sellers, so on and so forth. But it is getting increasingly easier to find products when you're using these non-conventional product research strategies. So the way that we kill two birds with one stone is, if this is a product that we potentially wanted to move forward with, we're already on Alibaba and we already found a potential manufacturer. So we can find products and reach out to suppliers all in one shot when using this strategy. Now, I'll give you one more strategy for using Alibaba for product research. If you head over to Alibaba and you scroll down to discover the next business opportunity section, you'll see things like top ranking, new arrivals, so on and so forth. When you click on top ranking, let me explain what this means. These are top ranking products that are being sold frequently, right? Most popular. The most popular products that people are ordering in bulk. Now, if people are ordering these products in bulk and that's most popular on Alibaba, chances are it's going to triangulate to social media and to Amazon for being top sold products, right? So here you can see a list of all these different products, and each and every subcategory has 3 products. So literally across you have 9 products. So there's 9, there's 18, right? And it goes on and on and on and on and on. These are literally dozens of products that you could potentially search, right? Now, in order to search these, we're simply gonna go over to Amazon and we're gonna type them in just like we did for the slow feeder dog bowl, right? We're gonna go to Amazon, we're gonna type them in, and we're gonna use a Chrome extension from a tool. We're currently using Jungle Scout, and you're gonna look at the data. You're gonna look at the monthly reviews, you're gonna look at the average revenue, you're gonna look at the average amount of sellers, you're gonna look at the average reviews, all of that good stuff. Now, if you don't have a software, you definitely need one because there's tens of millions of products and it's almost impossible nowadays to start or grow a business without a software to navigate and find products and to pull all that search criteria. So the one we use is Jungle Scout. It's one of the oldest ones around. They're local here to Austin, Texas, and those guys have been awesome enough to give you guys a discounted link. You can go to www.discountonjunglescout.com. The link will also be down below to go ahead and check that out. And there you guys have it. That is a strategy that is very, very effective. And this is a way that you could kill two birds with one stone. We're talking about finding products and finding suppliers at the same time. So let me know down below in the comments if you're gonna try this or if you have tried this, and let me know what product research strategies you're using right now. Remember, you're only one product away.